So this is how this one right here work. All you have to do is to allow the red moving average and the RSI line to get below the 30 level, right? Then the next thing you do is to wait for a spike, and then you're gonna see a spike like this. So immediately that spike happens, you have to enter from that spike, right? And as you can see here on the indicator window, the RSI line is not touching the 70 level yet, so there is an assurance that more spike is coming. So as you can see, you enter from this point, then you see there was another spike, right? There was another spike right here, and you can see here on the indicator window is now crossing above the 70 line, which means you have to exit, right? You can see here on the main chart, that is my black moving average, right? It's the moving average 200, right? So you can see the spike is above it, so it means price is now at a resistance level, so you have to exit the market. So this is a very simple spike catching strategy. Let me show you another example. And you can see here also there was a spike, right? But first of all, the moving average and the RSI are below the 30 level, right? So there was a spike. This is this small spike here. It's showing that it's above the 30 level now. So you have to enter from this point, right? This point. And since it's not touching the 70 level, it shows that there are more spike coming, right? So as you can see, there was another spike here, right? And here is touching the 200 moving average, which is showing you it's also on a resistance level. So the proper place for you to exit this market is this level right here. So as you can see, guys, this is a scalping strategy and it's very powerful. So I decided to share it with you guys for free, right? Stay tuned for more. So before I forget, let me quickly share with you guys the setup. Right now, our first important indicator here is the moving average 200, right? You click on it and you can see the period is 200, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. Under the star we have 4 pixel and the color is black. After that you click on done, and then the next moving average here is the relative strength index, right? You search and click on it, right? The period is 14, apply to close. Under the star we have 3 pixel, the color is blue, and then the levels we have 30 and 70, right? Now after that you click on done. Then our last indicator is the moving average. Click on it. The period is 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. Under the star we have 3 pixel and the color is black. After that you click on done, right? Click on done, and then you're gonna have a screen like this. Alright, so that is it, guys. Don't wanna make this video long, so I'll be stopping out here. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you. Silver out.